Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be creating a look using the new Anastasia x Alyssa Edwards eyeshadow palette. I did a look using the blue pigment, which was one of the pigments I did have issues when I reviewed the palette. The reason why I decided to use this pigment is just to see if I could make it work. And honestly, I feel that the camera picks it up so much more than what you would see it in person. And I feel that the reason of that is because I do have a big light in front of me. So I really hope you guys like this look, and if you guys do recreate it, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. So by this point, I primed my lid already and I used MAC Painterly Paint Pot, and then I'll be applying a matte yellow shade on the crease, and actually I'm applying it a little bit above the crease, and I'm applying it with the Morphe M433 brush. Next, I'll be applying a peachy pinkish color to the crease, and this is going to be placed a little bit under the yellow. I don't want to cover that color, and I'll be applying it with the Morphe M456 brush. Next, I'll be adding a matte purple shade, and again on the crease, but I'm also trying to avoid covering up the pink peachy shade, and I'm applying it with the Morphe M456 brush. And the reason why I decided to add a purple shade to the crease is because I will be blending this color into the blue eyeshadow that I'll be applying onto the lid, and I found that the blue will look better blended into a purple than blended into a pink. So I noticed I covered up the peachy pink color once I applied the purple one, so I went ahead and I did reapply it, blending it into the yellow and the purple using a Morphe M456 brush. Next, with the Morphe M124 brush, I'll be packing on a blue pigment. This is one of the pigments I had issues with when I reviewed the palette, but I did learn that this color has a better payoff if you do pack on the color, either with the dense brush or with your finger, or if you're blending it with the fluffy blending brush. Next, I'll be going back with the Morphe M456 brush and the purple pigment, and I'll be blending out the harsh edges of the blue pigment. So by this point, I already primed my lashes, and I decided to use the Eylure and Vegas Nay and Grand Glamour. And honestly, I'm very disappointed with these lashes. They're nothing to what they used to be at the beginning. They feel very synthetic and the shape is just very different. So now I'm working on my lower lash line, and I'm applying the same pinky peachy eyeshadow that I applied on my crease with the Morphe M506 brush. Next, using the same brush, the Morphe M506 brush, I'll be applying the yellow matte shade to blend out the harsh edges of the pinky peachy eyeshadow. And lastly, the last color I'll be adding to this look will be once again the blue pigment. I'll be smudging this with the Morphe M124 brush, and I also did smudge in the purple pigment into the blue, but I couldn't find the clip where it showed me doing that, and I'm just letting you guys know that I did mix the purple and the blue pigment together on my lower lash line. So then I applied mascara to my lower lash line. That completed the look, and like I said, in person you could barely see the patchiness on my lid. I didn't notice it until I was editing the video, and I think it does have a lot to do with the big light in front of my face. I am very close to the camera and I do have a big light right in front of me, so everything is very noticeable. So I really hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.